This 27-inch smart TV hides in a briefcase? Apolosign Packgo equals party beast on the go.
Let's be honest, lugging around a bunch of clunky gear just to watch a movie, play a game, or host a presentation is a total buzzkill. You're trying to enjoy your time outdoors or throw an epic party, but your tools aren't built for the ride. You've got tangled HDMI cords, powerless speakers, dead batteries, and a TV that definitely doesn't fit in your backpack.
Meanwhile, your motivation? Gone. Your productivity? Meh. Your entertainment setup? One big stress magnet.
You're constantly switching devices, missing moments, and feeling like your gear is stuck in the Stone Age.
Sound painfully familiar? Now crank up the frustration. You're at a picnic with friends or out camping, and everyone's hyped for movie night. But then it happens. Dead battery. Blown speaker. No screen in sight. Or worse, some tiny 10-inch tablet that makes everything look like an 80s bootleg. Your productivity apps are buried in lag, your party playlist sounds like it's coming out of a cereal box, and your game night turns into buffering. Please wait. You didn't leave civilization just to fight with tech that can't keep up. And let's be real, you're not here for basic. You want portable power that actually delivers. Enter the Apolosign Packgo 27-inch portable entertainment system, aka the briefcase that drops jaws. This beast packs a full HD 27-inch touchscreen, Android OS, Bluetooth 3D, 40-watt speakers, Google Play access, and a 6-hour battery into a slick, suitcase-sized shell. Yep, it literally folds into a stylish briefcase. This isn't just tech, it's a statement piece that shouts, "Yeah, I brought the fun." Whether you're mirroring your drone, binge-watching outdoors, or connecting your PS5 via HDMI, Packgo delivers fluid, flawless entertainment anywhere. It's compact. It's powerful. It's your new ride or die for fun, focus, and flexing. Think Netflix at the beach. Mario Kart in the mountains. Or Zoom calls in the jungle, if that's your vibe. With Packgo's RK3588 CPU, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, it handles games, movies, meetings, and multitasking like a total pro. The adjustable screen gives you the perfect angle every time, and the auto-rotate feature lets you flip it your way. Don't even get us started on the white noise mode, hello, instant chill zone. From road trips to rooftop parties, Packgo is your portable command center. Still reading? Stop imagining and start living, check it out now. Here's the kicker, Packgo units don't sit on shelves for long. Once people see what this bad boy can do, they snatch it. Whether you're a content creator, digital nomad, gamer, teacher, or party animal, this thing was made for your lifestyle. Thousands are already on board, living that untethered, entertainment anywhere life, and they're not looking back. So don't be that person stuck streaming on a cracked phone. Grab your Apolosign Packgo now and become the host, the pro, the MVP everyone's talking about. No regrets, just pure portable power. Click it, own it, flex it. Your adventures just leveled up.